Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video, we're going to talk about my favorite 4 Chrome extensions for Amazon KDP. These Chrome extensions will help you to boost your self-publishing business using these free extensions. Now, if you're interested in videos such as these, where we discuss Amazon KDP tips and tricks and strategies, as well as other passive income streams that I do, then subscribe to the channel in order to stay tuned for daily videos such as this. As a self-publishing author on Amazon KDP, my biggest goal was to get my books to rank in the search engine. So how did I achieve this? By focusing on keyword research and optimization. By targeting the right keywords, using only free tools, what I did was I improved the visibility of my low content and medium content books, and this resulted in daily KDP sales for the past few months. I attracted more potential customers who found my book through Amazon's search rankings, and I also opted to purchase the books. So while several tools are available for Amazon KDP keyword research, I did want to start with free tools such as Chrome extensions. Since I wasn't too tech savvy, I aimed to filter out the most effective and user-friendly extensions. And in this video, I'll share with you my top 4 free extensions that have helped me gather valuable analytics that help my books rank better as well. The first Chrome extension is KDP Amazon BSR and Keyword Research SEO tool by Self-Publishing Titans. Now, let me tell you that this wonderful extension is a powerful extension that gives you an overview of each keyword's potential. It offers essential information about the keyword niche score, the total results, and the bestseller rank, as well as the price. The information is important and it helps me to understand the competitiveness and the demand of a keyword. Thus, it helps me make better informed decisions about which keywords to target in my book's metadata. Now, one of the most critical features of this tool is the keyword niche score. Keyword niche score indicates how competitive a keyword is in a particular niche. A high keyword niche score indicates higher competition, while a low score indicates lower competition. Now, I usually aim for a keyword niche score with 45 or above for the majority of the keywords I create books for. And I also advise you to keep an eye for updates, because as of making this video, version 2 of the Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension is the most up to date. The second Chrome extension is Amazon Product Finder Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. So this is another valuable tool for an in-depth keyword research. It provides me with a comprehensive keyword score, including a breakdown of the top titles that are selling well under that keyword. And this information also helps me to understand a specific keyword's competition and market trends, which allows me to make informed decisions regarding the keyword's potential. So similar to the Self-Publishing Titans extension, the one that we talked about first, the Amazon Scout Pro extension, what it does is it offers a unique keyword niche score, which you can compare against the keyword niche score provided by Self-Publishing Titans. Now, I usually aim for a keyword niche score from Amazon Scout between 7 to 9, 7 being a strong keyword niche score. I also avoid using a keyword that has 5 or below unless there are other strong indicators that prove otherwise. The third extension is Amazon Suggestion Expander. Amazon Suggestion Expander is another really valuable Chrome extension, and it has features that what it does is it features the keywords that are searched before and after your primary keyword. And this has helped me tremendously in uncovering more profitable keywords that are related to the primary keyword. So basically, what it does is it expands the keyword research phase beyond just the primary keyword. I'm able to discover additional keywords that may have less competition, but they still have significant search volume. If you see a potential profitable keyword with a strong indicating factors, you need to take the time to search each individual keyword that is related. You can use the keywords that are shown using this extension and also add them to the 7 keyword slots when uploading your book to Amazon KDP. And the fourth and final Chrome extension is DS Amazon Quick View. So while not directly related to keyword research, the DS Amazon Quick View Chrome extension is my go-to extension for analyzing the competition and selecting the right categories for my book. What it does is it provides information on the top categories each book is listed for, and also whether or not it is sold by Amazon or an independent seller. This provides me with insight into the competition in different categories and also helps me to decide which categories to select when uploading my book. And you can also select up to 2 categories during the uploading process. So let's recap. We've got the first keyword niche score, which is the KDP Amazon BSR and keyword research SEO tool by self-publishing titans. Powerful Chrome extension, offers essential information such as keyword niche score, total result, bestseller rank, and price. The second Chrome extension, Amazon Product Finder, Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, what it does is provides an in-depth review of keywords, offers a unique keyword niche score for the comparison. We've also got the third Chrome extension, which is the Amazon Suggestion Expander. And what it does is it helps to uncover more profitable keywords by showing you what's related keywords are searched for both before and after your primary target keyword. And finally, the DS Amazon Quick View Chrome extension. It provides insight into the competition and also a dive into the category selection of each of the books. So when using these extensions, it's really essential to ensure that you have the latest version and keep them updated at all times to maintain accuracy and reliability. I've also made a video about a list of KDP keywords that are profitable, that have great potential, and also published a video about my methods for finding both the keywords and ready-made KDP interiors to make the process easier for you. You can check out the video links in the description box below. So I want to know, do you use free tools when researching KDP keywords? And if so, what kind of tools do you use? Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to have you on board. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a great day.